Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix unable to log in your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to log in your Instagram from your Instagram app, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just tap on the settings, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon, then type here Instagram. You can see here Instagram, tap on this. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. You can see here storage and cache, tap on this. Once tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. When you tap on delete, your Instagram app will be logged out. Then you have to relog in it again. Then tap on delete, then go back, open the Play Store. Search for Instagram. If your Instagram app is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to uninstall and reinstall your Instagram app. For that, you just need to tap on the settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram. Here you can see uninstall, then tap on OK to uninstall your Instagram app. After that, open the Play Store and download it again. After that, you have to log in your ID and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to open the browser. In this, you need to find Instagram Help Center. You can see here Instagram Help Center. Just select this first option. In top right side, you will find here 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that. Then select Privacy and Security and Reporting. After that, you can see here Login and Password. Click on this. Select this first option. I can't log in. After that, under username and password troubleshooting, you will find first option, recover your Instagram password. Select this option. Was this helpful? Yes or no? You have to just tap on no, then tap on other. In this you need to type, hi Instagram team, I am unable to log in my Instagram account. So please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this, you have to just tap on send button. Below you can see a submit button. Just tap on this submit button. After submitting, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix unable to log in your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.